How to check your credit score on OnePay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your credit score on OnePay. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then you need to head over to OnePay's official website. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner and you can scroll down and tap on credit score. So this is a simple way to get real-time insights into your credit score. So you can get an in-depth look at your credit account, score factors, and credit history all in one place. Know where you stand and see where you can improve. So first things first, you need to sign up, open up the OnePay app, and go to credit score anytime to check your latest, most up to date credit score. So you can see your credit score history and understand how your score has changed over time and get personalized details about your score factors. And you can even see the accounts that impact your credit, and you can get to know more about it here. So, there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.